What is up, YouTube? It's Christopher Martinez back here with a mukbang, my very first mukbang, as a matter of fact. I have a bunch of crispy food right here. Got some chickens, and I got an ice cream, and I got this really nice microphone I got for Christmas. Use it for my podcast. But hey, let's eat some food. Let's chow down. Let's hear some nice, interesting, crunchy ASMR sounds, everybody. Let's first start off with this crispy chicken here. I don't know if you can hear it, but let's go. I gave you an entire week, and that's the best you can come up with? Hey, you told me to make something trendy. Don't get mad at me. That's not gonna get us famous. We're gonna be the laughing stock of YouTube now. Hey, I think it's working, dude. I'm getting a lot of emails from producers saying that they can get some good shots of me with meat in my mouth. I think we're in. Yeah, I'm not having any part in this, so bye.